Picture yourself in the 2021 Ford Ranger. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Here's a Ford Ranger, the midsize pickup that's both smart and tough. With features like smart terrain management and driver assist tech, straightforward controls, and a rugged, dependable build, this truck helps you make the most of your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, remote engine start, fog lamps, trailer hitch, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, front tow hooks, stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Always use the right tools for the job. This capable Ranger is waiting to help you live, work, and play in style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.